Hey guys, it's me Roxanne. I am back with the last of October's boxes. It's hard to believe we're heading into November already. So the last box I have is this one. Causebox. I'm so excited for this box. I don't even look in it. I do know what's in it. I just don't know what I got. There were several variations of each item. Now I believe this sells for $54.95 American. I was able to get like something like 20% off, or you know, I think it was like $10–15 off, so it made it worth it to me. It's a great company. They do a lot of backstory into the products that they choose. The fall box had some issues. They were supposed to send out some cheese boards, and instead the cheese boards were wrecked during shipment, so they ended up putting in a swell bottle, and I was thrilled because I wanted to try it, and the rest of the box really appealed to me because there was a lot of items in it that I knew I would use and that I don't have. So with that being said, I think it's like $8 to ship to Canada, so it can be kind of pricey. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick around for the fall. I'm going to wait and see what the spoilers are and then go from there. But let's get to unboxing this. So right away you can see one of the reasons why I bought it. So they have a book, and I believe it has, yeah, so it has like the backstory. So the cheese boards were kind of interesting, and I would have loved to have tried that. So they have the backstories to each product that they chose. So, I'm not sure why, but it does say October on it. But it's still a gorgeous purse. It's well made. It looks pretty large. I'm really excited for this. I've been wanting a new purse. It even has like one of these, and it's got my keys on it. I will be using that for sure. So there's the first item. I believe this retails for about $80. So I think this tells me which each item is. So this is for the swell. So then you get a postcard. Ooh, this is really pretty. I'm not sure if I'll keep this or if my daughter gets to it on me. She likes scarves. But oh, that feels so nice. This is from Bloom and Give. And it is a pretty nice scarf. Got thread on it already. It's huge, 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 huge. I'm not much fun for scarves, so I apologize now if it isn't on right. So I got the Reconstructive hair mask, which I'm super thrilled about. My hair is so greasy, and one day it's so dry the next day, so I'm constantly using hair stuff on it to see if I can find something that will work. Oh, that smells so good. And that is full size. Like, that is huge. So the next item I see is paper source. So I believe these are cards. I don't want to rip them. So they're cards. They are empty, but these will definitely come in handy because you can use them for so many things. And they come with envelopes. Paper Source Indian Fine Paper Note Set, 6 cards in envelopes. Artisanal fine paper is handmade in India using recycled cotton textiles. No chemicals are used in the paper process, and the paper is dried with solar energy. The note cards made from this paper are eco-friendly, tree-friendly, handcrafted, acid-free, and 100% recyclable. Our envelopes are made in the USA with 30% post-consumer waste, recycled content. They are free of processed chlorine. The cards and envelope in the package are packaged in care in Chicago. Do something creative every day. So they feel nice. So the next item I see is my eyeshadow palette. And you also get a brush with it. So this box is sold out. You cannot get it. But it says be your own kind of beauty. There is a mirror. But those are so my colors. I cannot wait to try this out. So here's some quick swatches. I'm not very good at them, as you can tell. So the last item I have here is this swell is hand painted, one of a kind and perfectly unique. So it's hot for 12 hours, cold for 24. I work in a really hot crummy factory, so I will be using this every single day. And this is the color I wanted too. How awesome is that? Oh, I'll be using this today. Oh, that's huge. That's huge. So all in all, this is well worth it for me. It's not worth it for everybody, but this right here retails for like 50-60 bucks here in Canada. So definitely worth it for me. See, and the scarf, and then so it's got a little bit of everything. It's got your hair. Definitely well worth it. So you can't get this box today, but you can get a welcome box. I think they're in between their two boxes. If you use the code SWELL, you'll get a free deluxe size swell. I don't know if that's this one or if it's smaller. You'll have to check out the website and see. So this is Causebox. Really great box. I don't have a referral down below because this is, like I said, brand new, and they don't have a referral program. So just head over to the website, check it out. They show everything that you can get in the box. I guess that's it. I guess this is it for October as well. So I'll see you guys probably back in November. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell. My next video should be one of the giveaway. So take care, everyone. Thank you.